Clever bunny club, hop and play today. Oliver Bunny woke up feeling happy. Today is a perfect day to play. But then, drip, drop, it started to rain. Oh no, Oliver sat quietly. Then, Oliver had an idea. I can still have fun in the rain. Splash, splash, Oliver jumped in puddles and now Oliver jumped in puddles and laughed. Soon his friends came to play too. Rainy days can be fun together. After playing, Oliver felt warm and cozy. I love rainy days now. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but they can still be wonderful.